All right, so let's continue our lesson. Okay, so what number are we? Okay, here. Which boy has got black hair? Which boy? Can you use your pen? All right, again. Which boy has got black hair? Black hair. Okay, again, which boy has got black hair? Which boy? Okay, this one. He is the one who has black
He is the
hair. Okay, next, proceed. How
he
many? Okay, continue. Continue. Continue your answer. Hello?
teacher.
Okay, continue. What is your answer?
Uh, the boy, the boy is Bạch xem là cái cái gì?
Okay, listen to Teacher Kim, okay? So the one who has black hair is sitting on the chair. And
chair.
okay, so he is sitting on the chair, the one who has a black hair. Okay, next, let's proceed. How many fish are there in the picture? So, how many fish are there in the picture? How many?
There, there are three fish.
All right, very good. So, there are three fish. So, let's count. We have one, two, and three. So, three fish.
Three.
Okay, very good. Next, what is on the bag? So, what's in is on the bag? So, where is the bag? Okay, this one is the bag. I will put a circle. So, this is the bag. Now, what is on the bag? It's what animal is this? Kukak, kukak. What animal
Is
is that?
a frog.
Okay, very good. It's a
Frog.
frog. Okay, so what is the sound of the frog? You know what is the sound of a frog?
Mm, the frog.
Kuk- Kukak, kukak. So that's the sound of a
Mm,
frog. Okay, how about the dog? What is the sound of a dog? What is the
the
sound of a dog?
dog is mm,
Ow, 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 ow. What is the sound?
the the sound is wolf.
Okay, so for you, it's a wolf. It's depend upon the dog. Okay, next. What are the cows doing? So as you can see, there are two cows. So what did they doing? They are
The, they are eating.
okay, they are eating grasses. All right. Next, what can the boy fish? What can the boy fish? This one, what is this?
He can he can fishing shoes.
Okay, very good. So they are the one that wearing orange. He is fishing a shoes. Okay, next.
He fishing a shoe.
Okay, very good. Next, what can the boy fish? Okay, we are done that one. What color is the bucket? So the bucket, what color? Here. What color is this?
The bucket is blue.
Okay, very good. So again, can you see it? The color of the bucket is blue. Okay, again, say it again. The color of the bucket is blue.
The color is blue.
Okay, the color of the bucket is blue. So this one is the
Blue.
bucket. Okay, very good. So I will give you 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, next, proceed to the next lesson. All right, now starter speaking and writing practice 5. So we are going to learn 5. Okay, now. Oh no, we are already done in this 5. So we will proceed to practice 6. Okay, so are you interested to learn more? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now so that we can't be sleepy, let's sing it first. Okay? Let's sing it first. All right, so that we can have an energizer. So I have a song for you. Running, 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 running. Jump, 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 jump. Walking, 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 walking. Learn this book. Learn this book. Okay, so next time you need to, okay, learn that song. All right, so that we cannot be sleepy. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson. So, what can you see in this picture? So, where do you think they are? In the
In the many people, many children.
All right. So, when you saw children, where are they? They are in
Uh,
the.
mm, they they are in a playing ball.
All right. So, they are on a classroom in the school. Okay. So, this is teacher and this is the children. Okay. So that we will learn this picture, let's learn also the story about this picture. Okay, all right. So again, I will read the story and you will read after me. Okay, so this is a picture of a classroom. In the picture, the teacher is wearing a blue jacket. Okay, this one, a blue jacket and gray pants. He is pointing at the students. So he is pointing at the students. So because they are very noisy. And then one boy is sleeping on his table. So this one, he is sleeping. A girl and a boy are playing with a ball. They are playing a ball. Then A girl with a pink shirt and gray skirt is drawing on the board. There is another boy lying under the table. On the table, there is a red radio. Okay, red radio, this one. And then there are two computers on the other table next to the window. The floor is messy with bugs and bananas. Outside the window, two people are watching the class. Then it is a noisy, very noisy, and a messy classroom. Okay, now it's your turn to read the story. Okay, you may now
This
start.
is a picture of a classroom. In the picture, the teacher is wearing a blue jacket and gray pants. He is pointing at the students. One boy is sleeping on his table. A girl and a boy are playing with a ball. A girl is a girl with
With,
a
again,
pink
with.
shirt and gray skirt with a girl with a pink shirt and gray skirt is drawing on the board. There is another boy lying under the table. On the table there is a red radio. There are two computers on the other table next to the window. The floor is messy with bags and bananas. Outside the window, two people are watching the class. It is a noisy and messy classroom.
Okay, very good for reading this story. All right, now, since we are already done reading the story and listening also, now let's answer the following questions. Now, what color is the computer near the window? What color? This one. What color is this? It's
It's
color.
yellow.
Okay, very good. It's yellow. Then how many computers can you see? How many computers? One, two, three, or four and five? How many computers?
One. One
Com-
computer.
are you sure? There are only one? How many computers?
No, two computers.
Okay, very good. So there are two computers on the table. Next, what is the teacher wearing?
Um, the teacher wearing a blue jacket
Next, what else?
and a gr- gray
Gray pants. Okay, so the teacher
gray
is
pants.
wearing blue jacket and a gray pants. Okay, very good. Now, okay, done. What is the teacher? Okay, we are already done. Who is lying under the table? Who is lying or sleeping? No, under the table. So this boy.
The boy is under the table.
Okay, very good. So the boy is lying under the table. Next, how many children are standing outside? Can you count how many?
Um, two people.
All right, so they are two children. Okay, next. Okay, wait for a while. All right, next. How many? Okay, done. How many standing? Now, where is the radio? Where is the radio? On the
The radio on the table.
Okay, what is the color of the radio?
There, there is red. I,
Okay, very good. The color of
it's
the
red.
radio is red. Okay, how about where are the bags? The bags. Can you see it? Where is the bags? Is there a bag?
There are two bags.
Okay, so there are two bags on the floor, and the red and yellow. All right, now, how many bananas are there? How many bananas? Can you see a bananas? Where is the
Mm,
bananas?
uh, two bananas. Two bananas.
Okay, so there are two bananas. Okay, so next, let's proceed. All right, so do you have any questions? Did you understand the story?
Um,
Did you understand our story?
mm,
Did you understand now the story? Yes or no?
yes.
Okay, so I think you are sleepy. So let's. Okay, what happened? All right, so let's have a song again so that you cannot be sleepy. Again, running, running. Can you do it also? Running, 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 running. Jump, 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 jump. Walking, 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 walking. Learn this book. Learn
Mm,
this book. Okay. So are you energized now? Are you energized now? Yes or no?
um,
It's a
yes.
yes? Okay. Now let's continue. All right, now starter speaking and writing practice 7. All right, so again, I will read this story. Then after that, you will
Mm,
follow. Okay. This picture shows a family in the kitchen during breakfast time. The father is sitting at the table. He is wearing glasses and reading a newspaper. The boy is wearing a blue t shirt. He is eating breakfast. The girl is wearing a pink t shirt. She is eating breakfast too. So she is eating breakfast. Okay, this girl. Next, the girl is okay. On the table, there are bananas. What happened? There are bananas, oranges, milk, and a cup of coffee. On the floor, there is a toy boat near a red chair. Next to it, there is a toy box. The kitchen is tidy with shelves holding dishes and glasses. There is a blue and white clock on the wall. There is a window with a view green hills, trees, and a blue sky. The room looks bright and clean, and the family looks happy. Okay, now it's your turn to read. Start from here. This picture shows. Okay, please read. It's your turn to read. The father. Okay, so maybe do not read it anymore. Please describe what's in the picture. What can you see in the picture? Can you describe it? What can you see? Or what can you say about this
mm,
picture?
I can see three people, one clock, one window, many toys,
Uh, that's it.
and and uh, a chair is red.
What else? That's it. Okay, so very good. So, as you can see in this picture, we have three people. So, do you think this is the father?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the father, and also this is the girl and the
Um,
boy. They are what? They are?
they are uh eating
Okay, so they are eating. So, what fruits can you see in the table? What fruits?
um
What is
a
this?
fruit is banana and orange.
Okay, banana and orange. Do you eat banana and orange?
Yes.
Okay, very good because that fruits can give a what? Energy to our
Mm,
body. Okay, next. And then there's a lot of toys here. There's a lot of toys. Okay, and then we have also outside the window there is a mountain. Okay, next. Okay, now, what color are the chairs? What color are the chairs?
a chair is red.
Okay, it's red. And then what is the boy wearing? The boy wearing what color?
The boy wearing a blue t-shirt.
Okay, very good. Blue t-shirt. How about you? What color that you wearing right now? What
Mm,
color did you wearing right now? It's color.
his color
You wearing?
is
You.
the
What is
color
your
t-shirt is blue.
Okay, so this is the blue. How about you? What did you wear right now? What did you wear? What color? Example, teacher Kim is
Um,
wearing black. How about you? What did you wear right now? What color? Color?
um,
You are wearing what
color
color?
is purple.
Okay, can I see? Can I see?
Mm,
Okay, it's purple. And then teacher Kim is wearing black t-shirt. Black. Okay, now, how many shoes are there? How many shoes are there in the picture that you can see?
mm, they
How?
are they are two they are two shoes.
All right, so there are two shoes, but in one pair only. So that is one pair. Okay, so we have 4 minutes left. So go, go, go. Okay, now, how many oranges are there? How many oranges on the table? Can
They
you
are
count it?
they are two oranges.
Again, how many?
They are orange. There are two oranges.
Are you sure two only?
Three.
Okay, very good. So there are three oranges that you can see on the table. And then what is the man father doing?
The father is um
The f-
reading
all right. So the father is reading newspaper. Okay. Again, what did the father doing? He is what?
he is reading paper.
Okay, reading a newspaper or a paper. Okay, very good. Next. Is there a toy boat on the table? This one. What toy is this?
The tie is sheep.
Ship or boat? Then, what is the girl
Boat.
doing? What is the girl doing? She is.
The girl is she is eating.
All right, so she is eating. And then the last one, what color are the cupboards? The cupboards. What color? It's color.
Is color pink.
The cupboard, this one. This is the cupboard. Oh, and then this one. What
Uh,
color is this?
why
Okay,
why
white
why
is the color of the what is this? Color
blue?
white. The color of the cupboard is color white. Okay, since we are already done. Oh, right. So what do you have any questions? Do you have any
Mm,
questions about our lesson
mm,
tonight?
mm, many questions.
Okay, so what is this? What is that? What is your question?
Mm, is a beach.
Okay, a beach. All right. So again, our lesson tonight we have living room. We have also on a beach and this one on the river. And the last one, it's a classroom. Next, we have also in the kitchen. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from our discussion tonight. So, any questions?
Mm,
Do you have
mm,
questions?
7 questions.
Okay, all right, 7 questions. So we have 7 questions every story. 8 questions. Okay, so we have 8 questions. All right. So for now, thank you very much for um entering in our class, and I hope you learned something from our discussion tonight. So we will continue this next meeting. Okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, so good night and thank you very much. Bye
Goodbye,
bye.
teacher.
Goodbye. See you next meeting. See you. Bye.
Okay.